Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to center product prices on Shopify product cards. Access your Shopify dashboard and click Online Store on the left. Just click it. On the Themes page, find your current theme. Click the three dots, then Edit Code in the new menu. This opens your theme's file page. In the filter, search for base.css. You'll see a file named base.css. Click it to open your store's style script. All store appearance code is here. We'll scroll to the very bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, hit enter to add a new line. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link's in the description, along with the code we'll use in this video. Simply click the button to copy the code, click it, copy the code, return to Shopify, and paste it in the blank line we left. After pasting, go to the top right and click the Save button. Once clicked, the changes are successfully saved. Now, when you visit our store's products, you'll see the prices centered. You can center the title too, but I have another video showing how to do that. Or you can watch one on improving the whole product card to make it more professional. So, you've successfully made this configuration. I hope this video was helpful. Goodbye.